Hi, I'm Sadamali Ratnayaka. Mental health is something that's really important in life. It includes our emotional, psychological, social well-being. It affects the way we think, feel, act, and the way we handle stress, and how we make choices in life. Every stage of our mental health is an important part. This will affect our daily living, relationship, and our physical health. So when it's come to mental health, depression is something incredibly common and isolating disease experienced by millionaires around the world right now. Depression is a serious mental health illness that can interfere with a person's life. It can cause long-lasting and severe feeling of sadness, misery, and a loss of interest in activities. It also has physical symptoms of pain, appetite change, and sleep problems. This is my story about our youth in Sri Lanka. They are rich with creative ideas, skills, and so much energy to contribute to fact or situation. They also have a tremendous capacity to learn and are prepared to challenge the state quo and initiate changes where they feel it. Our youth are usually focusing on public attention for the wrong reason. Because our society fails to highlight the positive contribution they make to society and fail to build trust in them to lead. In the past, the youth in Sri Lanka used to be very active and was involved in a lot of outdoor activities. But because of COVID-19, the youth in Sri Lanka was forced to stay at home and continue schooling online. This caused the youth to become lazy and spend most of their time in media. They became addicted to video games, and if they were told not to play, they would get angry and would commit certain acts of violence or may even commit suicide. Last few years, many families lost their son or daughter who don't value their life. Just stop for a few minutes and think what you can do to stop this and protect our youth today. Doing simple things like loving, caring, listening, and educating them how valuable their life should be. As a community or family, we have to make a better environment for the youth to overcome their problems. There are many obstacles that stand between the youth of Sri Lanka. In the culture of Sri Lanka, women cannot be seen doing things that a man would normally be seen doing, like riding a bike or playing certain sport. There is also a pressure put on to certain members of the youth to be forced into arranged marriages, so that a business can grow or so that family can earn some profit from that marriage through the dowry. Another obstacle that can stand between youth from overcoming mental problem is social media. It can cause a great deal of harm to them, like a cyberbullying can cause them to stop trying to overcome their problem and just giving up. Get into their shoes and see what your son or daughter may be going through right now. Come, we will together help our future generation to live a happily and long life. Thanks for taking time and listening to us. For more details, visit our Facebook and Instagram page, Gary Barry Allen. So see you.